found the AME course to be both engaging and very enriching. It has been 9 days with the same group of people, all from different industries and backgrounds. So we are a mixture of geoscientists, engineers, procurement, HR, for instance. But what we noticed very quickly after the first day is that we all experienced the same challenges. And that similarity has helped us continue through the course together. I really liked the holistic approach that's been taken with the program. We learn different topics each day with different teachers who are very engaging. I really like the aspect that it's a mixture of presentations but also workshops, strategic workshops and strategy meetings, and we sit with different groups each day, so we get to experience people with different strengths and weaknesses. I like the emotional aspect of the course and understanding ourselves and the type of leader we are and where we can improve. And I really like how it is current with real life topics, for example, generative AI, which is something that many of us haven't experienced, and how we can incorporate that into our workday as leaders in a way that we are comfortable with. I think I came to this course as a certain type of leader, and I will leave this training with a toolbox that I can use and I can action into my work and personal life. I have some thoughts on how I can develop myself and how I can also implement this toolbox into developing others. So I'm very appreciative and fortunate to be on this course, and I'm very excited to see how I can continue my learnings through my everyday work.